What's going on, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So as you guys read in the title of today's video, I just wanted to go over the top 5 investing rules by Warren Buffett, the billionaire investor that's been investing since he was 11 years old. And for those of you guys that do not know, guys, Warren Buffett is one of the most successful investors of our time. This guy started investing when he was 11 years old, and he's currently in his 80s. I don't know exactly how old he is. He might be 85, 86, 87. And he's amassed a wealth of $85 billion plus. So this guy has been buying stocks for his whole entire life, and he's living proof of how compound interest works and how buying and holding for your entire lifetime works to your benefit. So we're going to be talking about the top 5 rules, investing rules by Warren Buffett. If you guys enjoyed the video, feel free to drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Let's get right into it. So the first rule by Warren Buffett is to invest in what you know and nothing more. So by this he means invest in companies that you understand the operations of. You know exactly what their business does, right? There's no like if, ands, or buts about their business that you don't understand, right? So example, let's say there's a new tech company that comes out, right? And you understand some of their business, but a bunch of their business is kind of like foreign land to you, foreign language, right? You don't understand half of their business. That is something that you wouldn't want to invest in, right? Because why would you want to invest in something that you don't fully understand, right? So for me, guys, I invest in companies that I fully understand. And, I've taken this from Buffett, and, an example of this would be Facebook, right? Facebook is a platform that I completely understand. I've used this platform pretty much, since its inception, right? A couple of years back, right? And, I know their operations. I know how they run their business. I have a clear understanding of the future of their business, right? From what we know. And, that's an example of understanding something that you invest in, fully understanding, and something that you invest in. And that's the number one key from Warren Buffett to, starting your investment portfolio. So the second tip from Warren Buffett is when you buy a stock, plan on holding it forever, guys. And this is something that Warren Buffett has done. Like I said in the beginning of the video, he's been buying stocks since 11 years old, and he's now 85 years old. And a bunch of his stocks in his portfolio, he's been holding those stocks for the duration of his life, right? And the benefit of this is compound interest, guys. If you're able to invest in dividend-paying stocks, right? And one of Buffett's biggest holdings is Coca-Cola, and this is a very nice, steady dividend-paying stock, right? You're able to capitalize on compound interest, right? Meaning that whenever these companies pay out dividends on a quarterly basis, monthly basis, whatever this company may be paying, right? And for this example, Coca-Cola, they pay quarterly. You're able to have the option of reinvesting your dividends by buying more shares of that company, meaning that you're going to be getting more and more and more dividends every single quarter. And if you're just reinvesting all of these dividends, right, you're amassing more and more shares as the years go along, meaning more and more dividends. So you guys can understand, over a span of 50, 60 years, just think about how much money you're able to compound, from that initial investment that you take early on in your life. So definitely plan to buy stocks, at an early age and hold them on for the rest of your life. So the third tip from Warren Buffett is not to really pay attention to short-term news and have your focus on the long-term vision, because, as a stock market investor, as a stock market trader, once you're in the game, guys, you really understand and see how short-term news fluctuates the prices of stocks, right? And Warren Buffett's whole philosophy here is not even to pay attention to the short-term news, the short-term drama in the stock market that's really just fluctuating the markets up or down, right? His whole idea here is to buy, right, and just to hold for a long time without paying attention to what's going on in between, right? And obviously, if there's drama short-term drama in the stock market, which is pushing down stocks, right? We've seen this happen in the past year, right? We've seen many examples of this. You know, the whole idea here in Warren Buffett's philosophy is to buy stocks on the dips, right? You know, if we've seen some news or some short-term noise that's pushing down stocks, this is something that Buffett loves. He loves to buy when the stocks are going down, right? And when other people are fearful, right? You know, the whole trade war thing with China has pushed down some stocks, and I'm sure Buffett has loved this short-term noise, right? Because this is short-term noise, and you know, he's loaded up on some shares of some big name companies, right? So the whole idea here, guys, not to pay too much attention to the short-term noise, pretty much just cancel it out and focus on the long-term vision of that company, the long-term holding of that particular stock. So the fourth tip from Warren Buffett, guys, is to buy a stock that you would hold even if the market were to close for 10 years. So to put this into perspective, guys, let's say today you were given $10,000 and you were like, you have to buy 4 stocks at $2,500 a piece, and the market tomorrow is going to be closing for 10 years. So, you know, you would put that $10,000 amongst 4 stocks, and 4 stocks that you think are going to be insanely higher in value, even if the market were to close for 10 years, and let's say after that 10 years the market were to open up again. And you know, the whole idea here is to buy stocks that you think are going to increase exponentially over the next 10 years, even if the market were to be closed for 10 years, right? And these are mostly companies that are very strong right now, right? That have a clear competitive advantage and a clear long-term outlook to their companies, right? These are very strong, stable companies. So this is one of the biggest rules for Warren Buffett, and you know, it really instills confidence into an investor, right? Because if you wouldn't put money into a company if the stock market were to close for 10 years, you really got to evaluate yourself. You really have to evaluate that stock and that company and really think, okay, is this really a stock that I want to be buying if I'm not planning on holding it for 10 plus years, right? So that really puts different things into perspective in terms of investing in the stock market for the long run. And the fifth tip from Warren Buffett is to invest in companies that have a very shareholder-friendly management and a very well, ran company, ran management that has a focused goal and a focused vision. You don't want to invest in companies that are not well ran, their management is not organized, their management doesn't have a very strong long-term company value, long-term vision for that company. We've seen companies, guys, in the past that have very strong businesses, very strong ideas, very strong visions, but the management just isn't there. The company isn't ran to the T, right? It isn't ran how it should be ran to, build that brand, build that company. So the whole idea here is to really do your research when it comes down to looking at the management, understanding the CEO, the CMO, the CFO, the whole management team all the way down the line to see if they're doing a good job in running that company and if they're working cohesively together as a unit. This is a huge thing, guys, because, as a stock market investor, you don't know the whole story because you're not really working in that company, right? You only know what you can see from the outside, what you can see from the news, what you can see from, the 10Ks, the 10Qs, the conference calls, all of those different things, right? So you pretty much have to take all that information and make a sound decision on whether or not you think the company is well ran by the management. And this is something that's one of Buffett's biggest rules, biggest tips to any beginner investor out there. You must understand how the company is ran and whether or not this is going to be a long-lasting company from the way that it is ran. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video on these top 5 rules/tips on how to invest like Warren Buffett. And if you guys found value in this video, feel free to drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, and join the Discord group as well as the Facebook group. Both of those are linked down below in my description box. So I hope you guys, again, found value in this video. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Have a great weekend. Peace.